In 1991, Somalia was torn apart by civil war. Cities once full of laughter were now filled with fear. Families fled with nothing, just their faith, their children, and a hope to survive. Among them was a young boy named Ali Abdi. He was only 6. He didn't understand politics, only that home was no longer safe. Ali's father, a teacher, stayed behind to protect their village, but he never returned. That day, Ali lost more than a father. He lost the world he knew. After weeks of walking, Ali and his mother reached Kakuma refugee camp in Kenya, a place of survival, but also of waiting. They spent 10 long years there. No electricity, no comfort, no guarantees, just tense dust and dreams. Ali grew up watching the sun rise over a camp filled with forgotten people. But even in the hardest times, he found hope, reading donated books under candlelight, teaching younger kids to write their names. His mother, cover her hair with hijab, used to tell him, "Allah gives the toughest battles to the strongest hearts." Those words stayed with him. In 2001, after 10 years of waiting, Ali and his mother with hijab finally received asylum in the United States. Their destination? Minnesota, a place colder than anything Ali had ever known. The snow was beautiful, but the silence was heavy. He was 14 years old, starting school for the first time, surrounded by kids much younger, in a language he barely spoke. Every day felt like starting from zero. He was laughed at for his accent, for his clothes, for not understanding simple things. But Ali refused to give up. At night, he worked odd jobs washing dishes, stocking shelves to help his mother. During the day, he studied. Slowly, painfully, he learned. By 18, Ali earned his GED. Then he enrolled in community college, balancing school and work. Some nights, he studied in the back of the store after closing. Some days, he wanted to quit. But then he remembered his father's dream that one day, Ali would bring healing where there was pain. After years of hard work, Ali was accepted into the University of Minnesota. There, he discovered his passion for biology and for helping children. He graduated with honors. Then came medical school, the hardest years of his life. He was surrounded by people who didn't look like him, didn't understand his journey. But every time he felt out of place, he reminded himself, "I've survived worse." Today, Ali is known as Dr. Ali, one of the most respected pediatricians in the Twin Cities. He's treated thousands of children, Somali, Ethiopian, American, every background, every story. His patients love him because he listens. He knows what pain feels like. He knows what it means to start from nothing. But Ali never forgot who he was. He gives back, mentoring Somali youth, guiding refugees, and speaking about mental health, education, and identity. Dr.